Welcome. In front of me is a Philips X818 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Storage and USB right here, and then on the bottom you'll find your SD card. So for me it's the SanDisk. Tap on it and then tap on the three dots and choose Settings, and from Settings you should see Format option. So tap on the Format. Then you'll get a message that performing this will remove all data from the device. So if there's something that you want to keep located on it, you might want to back it up before you proceed further on. But assuming you don't, you can then just tap on Erase and Format. And you have a progress of the process, and once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used once more. And as you can see, it's now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.